Beat that hoe, I'll wear that hoe like a necklace.
Damn, Spaz, you go stupid.
If the weed ain't no Zah, I don't want that. Plug just try front some lows, get that shit back. About that Drake and I give niggas shit back. Break down no profit 4 ways like a Kit Kat. My young bitch said she want her a new bag. On top of that deuce, tryna get her a new jag. You was in the game for a minute till you lag. Young niggas coming up now, that's too bad. I be driving too fast when I got 2 cups. I grew up tryna get the bag, not getting too fucked. Became a big dirty little nigga, still poo putts. I really seen it all now, I don't even know who to trust. It really took some time, see the light throughout the tunnel. Hold on bro, stop recording, I gotta go and grab some funnel. It used to come one by one, now them loads and bundles. Life done hit a nigga hard, but I never fumble. All this paper that I'm seeing, know I fuck up trees. I know she done ate me, I know she fucked up her knees. I'm related to the goblin, all we want is green. This Nina gon' be too sexy, I attach the beam. Real street nigga, get my best to go and get my order. We got shit in motion and I ain't even had to touch the border. All these peas on the floor, you think that I'm a hoarder. My bitch a trick yours, if she want her, she extort her. I done really taught her well, she know how to spell. Why I'm still alive, fuck the ops, fuck 12. New case coming up, I don't know how to feel. Get them bitches on my ass, they on my trail. Nigga really took a birth control and thought it was a perk. That was just some school shit, you grow up and shit gets worse. She'll love you if you put 100 in her purse. I found that shit out and I went to work. Hold on, what's bro number? I need some wop. Bitches keep calling my phone, you fiendin', stop. What's up? You said you got the drop? Leave all your shit here, man, this shit can't stop. Grab your shit, man.